Hello everyone, I'm Em, welcome back to TechBlock. Today I'm going to be announcing the giveaway winners for the Microsoft Windows 10 Pro keys that me and SED were giving away. SED hooked me up with 10 Microsoft Windows 10 Pro keys to give away to you guys, and the giveaway was on Gleam.io. It lasted like 4 days. I announced it I think in like 2 videos, so I'm going to be announcing the giveaway winners at the very end of this video. We're going to hop on the PC and actually go on Gleam.io and draw all 10 of the winners. But before that, I've got a bunch of stuff to unbox. We've got a lot of Philips Hue, and I can't tell you what we're going to be using all of this stuff for just yet, but there's a lot of Philips Hue here and there's more on the way. So there's going to be like a whole RGB overhaul with Philips Hue. This is not sponsored by them. I bought all this stuff out of my own money because it was Black Friday, and I'm like, Philips Hue is half price. So I'm like, oh, it's stupidly expensive still, but I went ahead and bought quite a lot of Philips Hue. So we got 2 1-meter extension kits, and I think I have a third one in my cupboard there. I've got the 2-meter lighting kit from Philips Hue. We've got another 2-meter lighting kit from Philips Hue, and that's pretty much it. They do also have the Philips Hue like light bars that I'm going to be buying. They're currently like out of stock everywhere, so I can't buy them. But when they're back in stock, which I hope is soon, I'm going to buy 2 and put them behind the soundbar, so there'll be like 2 light sources behind the setup, or maybe even 3 if we include the LED light behind the actual monitor, but I don't know if I'll be keeping that one. We'll see what happens, I guess. We'll see what happens. But apart from that, I've also got a WD NVMe M.2 SSD that I bought on Black Friday as well. Someone in the comment section actually mentioned the fact that these are on sale, and I'm like, I could do with some more NVMe storage. As for those that are YouTubers or just edit videos on Adobe Premiere, if you don't know already, NVMe storage can really speed up Adobe Premiere, especially if you're like reading and writing files on a very, very fast NVMe drive. So this is the reason I bought this guy, is just for YouTube videos to be stored on while I edit them. So then, fast speeds and stuff, it's gonna be real good. And apart from that, we also have some stuff from Arctic. So Arctic, if you're not familiar, they are a very, very popular brand for thermal paste, and they also make fans as well. These come with a 10-year extended warranty. So they sent me over 2 of their like brand new P12 PWM fans. These are 120mm fans, and these are going to be going into the PC build, as it's like a white PC case. We got white fans, and these are actually like good fans with good performance, good airflow, good air pressure, stuff like that. So we'll unbox these in a second. As the current PC build, the temperatures, they could be better is all I'm going to say. The PC case has decent airflow. I have 3 intake fans at the bottom, which admittedly I guess isn't the best positioning for intake fans, but it is what it is, and at least we have intake fans this time. However, there's quite a big problem with the current fans inside of the PC, and I'm probably going to be replacing all of them very, very soon. The temperatures on the AMD CPU get close to 80 degrees. The graphics card goes on like full blast with all the fans all the time whenever I play games, and I've been playing a lot of Civilization 6. That's why you haven't seen an upload from me for the past couple of days. If you have me as a friend on Steam, then you know that I've been playing a lot of Civ 6 lately. I'm gonna stop now and just make videos again, but damn, that game is a lot of fun. I've lost track of time, honestly. Civilization 6 has ruined my life. Anyway, let's go ahead and unbox all this stuff. God, enough about Civ 6, but yeah, all the fans there are gonna be replaced pretty soon, as the airflow ain't good, temps ain't good, and these are going to help out so much and also look pretty fancy as well, as they're white. The fan blades are transparent, and as we have like an NZXT lighting kit in there, you'll probably make them look RGB even though they're not RGB. And these are also like pretty cheap as well. I think they're like £10–12 on Amazon, and their performance is apparently real good. And before I actually install both of these fans into the PC, I'm going to do like some benchmarking, I guess, of the temperatures. So I'm just going to like run some stress tests on the graphics card and CPU, measure the temperatures after like half an hour, for example, and then pop these bad boys into the PC, measure the temperatures again, and I can almost guarantee you that there will be a significant drop in temperatures, at least for the graphics card, as these will be intaking air from the bottom and shooting it straight up towards the GPU and hopefully the radiator on the NZXT Kraken cooler as well. So I really hope that temperatures will drop, as they're currently a bit toasty, to be honest. Anyway, we have our M.2 drive here from WD. Goddamn! Camera, focus on the NVMe drive. There we go. Look at that, guys. Like, NVMe drives are so tiny. Like, when I first got one from XPG, I was genuinely like surprised. I'm like, geez, this is so much smaller than like a SATA 3 SSD, as these are pretty small already compared to a hard drive, but these are absolutely tiny. Like 250 gig model here, not the biggest capacity, but I'm only going to be using it for like YouTube video storage temporarily, I guess. So storage didn't really matter to me too much, as I'm not going to be using 250 gig at once ever, I think, unless I upgrade my camera to something like 4K. Then this may need an upgrade. But for now, this is probably going to be more than fine for many, many months to come. And I'm pretty sure once I actually go ahead and install this into the PC, I'll have no free like M.2 slots left, because I think that motherboard can only support 2, which kind of sucks. Like, I wish it could support more, then I'd buy probably another one of these or get another one from XPG. And NVMe storage, especially like the M.2 drives, they're so quick, they're so tiny, there's no cables required, there's no cable management required. You just pop it in, screw it in, boom. But you're kind of limited by the amount of like NVMe M.2 slots you have in your motherboard. So if I want to get more, I'll probably have to get like a PCIe card like expansion to get some more M.2 storage in the PC. But we'll worry about that when the time comes, I guess. Anyway, we've unboxed the M.2 drive. Let's go ahead and unbox all the Philips Hue stuff. Also, I've got a brand new knife on the way. I bought it from Sweden, I think, or Norway, or somewhere. I don't really know where exactly the knife is arriving from. All I know is that it's on its way, I think. Something's arriving tomorrow. It could be the new knife. It could be, I don't know what, but something's arriving tomorrow from DHL, I think. So hopefully it's the knife that I ordered like a week or two ago. It's been so long now. Anyway, we've got Philips Hue, dude. This is the 2-meter strip. Not sure if I'm actually going to be using the extensions. These just kind of came as a bundle, as it was cheaper to buy 3 meters of Philips Hue, meaning like this plus that for £50, versus this alone was like £70 or £80 on Amazon. So I'm like, well, I may as well get the extension kits, you know, because it's cheaper then. So I don't think I actually need like 3 meters of Philips Hue for like one strip. I'm not putting these on my ceiling or anything, so don't worry about that. These are just kind of mainly replacing other LED lights, and we're gonna do some crazy videos in the near future with Philips Hue and like Razer Synapse and stuff, Razer Chroma, sync all that stuff up, play some games. Like Overwatch, I think, has really good integration with Philips Hue and Razer. So it's gonna be some crazy stuff, dude. Also, Hue Sync is a thing that I wanna try out, and this is one of the reasons I actually bought more Philips Hue lights, is so that like the Hue Sync experience and the Razer Chroma plus Philips Hue is just kind of like more immersive, I guess. And it's just better, because more lights is more fun, dude. So we've got one here. Let's just cut this one as well. Bam, we got some Philips Hue and stuff. These extension kits I don't even think I'll use. Let's go ahead and unbox the Arctic fans that Arctic have hooked me up with. Come on, dude, open up. Man, these are genuinely going to change the game in terms of like cooling for the PC. Ooh, the cable is even white. That is a nice touch. I like that. This is one sturdy fan. Like, damn, dude. The cable is white. The connector is white as well. That's a nice touch, as I have like a white PC case. This cable will pretty much just like blend in to the rest of the case, I guess. It's pretty cool. So there's one unboxed. Let's open up the other one as well. Arctic have also sent me some of their thermal compound here. So we have the MX4 thermal compound here. In my recent PC build video, I also got quite a few comments talking about the thermal paste that I put onto the CPU. But I'm not entirely sure if I put too little or too much. People just kind of pointed out some stuff about the thermal paste, but it didn't really make much sense to me. I don't know if I put too much or too little, but I personally think that I put too little thermal paste, or maybe like put it in the wrong spot, I guess. Yeah, I think I might want to reapply the thermal paste on the CPU, as temperatures at the moment aren't the best, but I have a feeling that is because of the voltage I'm currently running the CPU at, and the overclock that's currently on the CPU. That's probably the reason why we're hitting pretty high temperatures, because of the voltage and the overclock. I've not been able to get very high clock speeds on that Ryzen chip. The overclocking has been quite frustrating. I think I managed to get stable on 4.2 gigahertz, but then things started to blue screen. The PC began freezing whilst I was trying to render videos, so I dropped the clock speed down to 4.1. And everything's been stable after that. Temperature is also kind of a problem now, as I'm running at 1.4 volts, and I think I'm going to try to drop that down, but I'm going to be posting like a dedicated video in a few days, I think, about overclocking on Ryzen, as to be honest, I've not had the best of luck so far. I am kind of a noob when it comes to overclocking. I've not really had too much experience overclocking CPUs in general, as this is the first time I have an unlocked chip. So I'm gonna try to get there, hopefully somehow manage to get stable at 4.2 gigahertz, but I think that's gonna require some better cooling, as at 1.4 volts, the temperatures are too damn high for that NZXT Kraken X52. But that could be down to possibly like thermal paste and or the fans on the radiator, and just the airflow in the case is goddamn awful right now. And that is all going to change pretty soon. Also, for the rest of the fans in the PC, the fans on the radiator and the exhaust fan, they're gonna probably be replaced with Corsair light loop fans, but I don't know really. I'm still deciding. I've got like 3 options, I guess. NZXT Air 2 fans. My second option is, I guess, like Thermaltake's Ring Plus Premium fans, I think they're called. They've got like a strange name, but that's my second option, I guess. They're also definitely on the pricier side, but apparently they have integration with Razer Chroma, or at least someone told me that in the comment section, because you know, Thermaltake and Razer, I think they have something going on with like Razer Chroma and lighting, like integration between them, but I don't entirely know. And my final option being Corsair light loop fans, which I'm kind of drawn towards, as their performance is pretty good from what I've heard. They're pretty quiet and awesome RGB, and they don't cost a crazy amount. I think I can pick up like a triple pack for like £100, which is, I know it's still expensive, but it's nowhere near the amount I'd have to pay for like NZXT Air 2. Anyway, enough talking about the fans and stuff. This has all just kind of been like a vlog, I guess. Just me talking, me rambling about fans and stuff. I'm gonna bring the camera over here and we're gonna announce the giveaway winners. Right, so let's go ahead and announce the giveaway winners. So I'm on the Gleam.io page. We're gonna press draw winners. This is completely random. I have no choice here, I guess. 10 prizes left, as you can see on screen. Let's go ahead and press draw winners. See what happens. Oh, there we go. 10 winners to draw. That is correct. We're not going to allow repeat winners. Just, you know, 10 lucky people are going to get some Windows 10 keys. So, all right, so we have our 10 winners here. Rob, Peter, Husam, On Game Music. We got James, Call. Call has won a giveaway on the channel before, like months ago. I think Call won like half a year ago. I don't know if I announced it anyway. I think I might have announced it on Twitter that Call won. But yeah, he's been following the channel for a very long time. I don't know him myself. He's in freaking Nashville, USA. So congratulations, Cole. You've won another giveaway. I can't believe that. Anyway, the next person is Vilius. Congrats, dude, from the UK. We have Mohammed from France. We have Dylan from USA. And then Isaac from the USA as well. So congrats, everyone. I'll be emailing all of you individually with the key. And if any of you don't respond to my email, I'll draw new winners and probably announce them on Twitter or something. So yeah, apart from all that, congrats to all the winners. Congrats to everyone winning. Hopefully you can put that key to good use. Well, apart from that, congratulations to all the giveaway winners. I'll have another giveaway coming out very soon. So stay tuned for that. I think I'll be announcing it probably in the next week or 2. So stay tuned, we're gonna have another giveaway coming soon. But yeah, apart from that, everyone, thank you all for watching so much, and I hope to see you in another video soon. Goodbye. Thank you.